DJM TV.
Breaking news. The governor disagrees as Presidency backs Malami on open grazing. Hey guys, good morning to you, good afternoon to you, and good evening to you, depending on the location you're watching us from. A very big welcome to you. This is DJM TV Daily News Update, where you get the latest news all around the world. In case you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that you could be the first to get notified each time we post a new video. Let's get to the main news. The federal government on Monday disagrees with the Southern Governors Forum's decision to ban open grazing and movement of cattle by foot. The FG has referred to this decision as the act of politicking intended by its signatory to demonstrate power. Mr. Garba Shehu, the Senior Special Assistant to the President on Media and Publicity, gave the position of the presidency in a speech which he titled President Buhari OK's Deep-Rooted Solution to Herdsmen Attack and Clear Way for Ranching and Revival of Forest Reserve. We can recall earlier that Southern Governor Forum has earlier held a meeting recently in Asaba, the capital of Delta State, as part of the measure to address insecurity in the south region of the country. They had also decided to ban open grazing and had called on the president to restructure the country alongside physical federalism, devolution of power, and state policing. But the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Mr. Abubakar Malami San, in an interview with the press, described the ban as unconstitutional. He said banning open grazing and movement of cattle by foot is as good as the northern governors coming together to say they prohibit spare part trading in the north. Meanwhile, Buhari's media aide Shehu Garba has backed Malami up, while the Ondo State Governor and chairman of the Southern Governors Forum, Rotimi Akeredolu, again criticized the Attorney General of the Federation for his statements. Garba Shehu, in his statement, has stated that President Muhammadu Buhari has expressed a strong resolve to address the conflict between elders and farmers in a sustained and lasting way that should lead to the emerging of a permanent solution to the occurring clashes between them, as well as the associated problem of the gun-wielding killers' elders. President Buhari has also approved a number of specific measures to bring a permanent end to the frequent killing, as recommended by Alhaji Sambo, the Minister of Agriculture, in a report he submitted, and the President has signed it back in April, where, before the action of the Southern Governors Forum, which attempts to place a ban on open grazing and other acts of political intended by its signatory to demonstrate their power, it is very clear that there was no solution offered from their resolution to the elders-farmers clashes that has been going on in our country for generations. But the citizens of the southern states, indeed citizens of all the states of Nigeria, have a great right to expect their elected leader and representative to find answer to the challenges of governance and rights, therefore issuing bans that says "not in my state." Garba Shehu has said that governor's announcement on banning of open grazing is of questionable legality. He has also raised the issue of the Southern Governor's position in the view of Nigerians' rights and freedom as illegal. He added that the Constitution has made provision for all Nigerians to enjoy the same rights and freedom within every one of the 36 states and the FCT, regardless of the state of their birth or residence. Fortunately, he continues, this decision has been forestalled for whatever it is intended to achieve, and Mr. President, who has rightly been worried about this problem more than any other citizen, has approved an actionable plan of rehabilitating grazing reserve in the states, starting with those that are truly committed to the solution and complying with stated requirements. The entire country is very much aware of the COVID-19 pandemic that has taken on public finances for both federal and state governments. Still, given the pressing urgency of addressing perennial challenges, the funding for the project by the federal government is now being partly delayed. He said that work would begin on the modern reserve in a few of the consenting states by June 2020. But reacting to this statement by the presidency, the governor and chairman of the South-South Governors Forum, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, has criticized the presidency. Governor Okowa, who spoke through his chief press secretary, Mr. Olisa Ifediaka, said nothing was wrong in the Southern governor demonstrating their executive power. He said that they said it's an act of politicking, and so what? If they want to call it politics, it is nothing to us, but our decision stands. Meanwhile, the chairman of the Southern Governors Forum, Mr. Akeredolu Rotimi, has said that the comparison of spare parts trading with open grazing by the Attorney General of the Federation was most unfortunate. He said that Malami's response to the Southern Governor's decision shows his mindset, and he has challenged the SAN to go to court based on that, as well as his objection to the establishment of Omatekun Corps. Meanwhile, the Bauchi state governor also described the Buhari's administration as clueless. He also made reference to the previous discussion he had with Akeredolu. He said there was nothing personal between them. He also said that, and I quote, "I so much believe in Nigeria, and what is happening today is giving me a lot of concern. I know I have had arguments with my brother governor here." What the governor of Ondo State said is very true. He continued, "We as PDP governors have gathered at Ibadan and endorsed the position of the Southern governors. Before doing so, we made a lot of moderation to it. I am very much against the ethnic profile criminalization of the Fulani S-men. I will never have agreed that all Fulani are criminals. A Fulani man is an hero, just like an Igbo man who defies geographic challenges to be where he wants to be." Bauchi State Governor Mr. Bala ended the statement by asking this question: "Were we having this problem before?" The answer is no. But why are we having it now? Simple. It is because of the cluelessness of the Buhari regime. And I will leave this question to the federal government. Where are the Fulanis that are killing people coming from? I therefore agree with what Ondo State Governor Mr. Akeredolu Rotimi said, that the federal government and the state should improve on the practices of animal husbandry in the country. So guys, you've seen it all. You've seen the reaction by the presidency towards the decision that the Southern governors has taken some weeks ago at Asaba in Delta State, and what they have come out to say. And they have also said that the decision of the Southern Governors Forum is of questionable illegality, hereby making it illegal for them to have been able to resolve that there should be no open grazing and movements in the country. So guys, what do you think about this? Do you think that the Southern Governors decision is illegal as the presidency has called it? Or do you think it is right for them to have exercised their powers by taking a stand that no more open grazing in our state? Also, that Mr. Bala, the Bauchi state governor, has come out to say that Buhari's regime is clueless. What do you think about this too? Is Buhari regime really clueless? So guys, you can drop your comments under the comment section and tell us what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching this video to the very end, and please do not forget to like, share and comment on all our videos, and also do follow us on all our social media platforms, on Facebook, on YouTube and on Instagram. And don't forget to check us out on our website www.djmtv.news. And don't forget, in case you are new to this channel, please do us well to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you could be the first to get notified when we post a video. Thank you so much. I am Victor Obruche for DJM TV News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.